If you're running call ads or message extensions in the US, there's a specific set of supplemental terms you need to know. These don't replace your standard Google advertising program terms, they add to them. Here is a quick breakdown of what you need to know. To evaluate and improve the quality of programs, Google may monitor or record a sample of communications initiated through the programs. This includes click-to-call, text messages, and live chats. By accepting these terms, you're essentially giving the green light for this quality checking process. You are responsible for notice and consent. You must provide clear notice to your agents, employees, or third party that their communications may be recorded by Google, and you must obtain their express consent. If you advertise for a third party, you must ensure they provide the same notice to their own teams and give you their express consent to proceed. If you or your clients are a covered entity or business associate under Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, as amended HIPAA, you should not accept these terms. Instead, contact your Google representative to request exclusion from recording. By accepting, you warrant that you will not use these features for protected health information. Finally, all parties must comply with the Telephone Consumer Protection Act and all other applicable laws. If you have questions about additional terms, visit the Advertising Policies Help Center at support.google.com.